Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
चोपडेची 3,08,186, मांद्रेची 2,11,862, चोपडेची 2,64,197 आणि हरमलाची 3,05,760 चौखन मीटर जमनीचो झोन बदलून ती NDZन घातल्या.
I specifically request केल्ले that survey number 290, 291, 292, 296 and 270 of Salvador the Moon कित्याक ते आमकां लागतात for ecoshing should be frozen and no development should be permitted in these areas where there is a no development slope. कित्याक there is एक application कोत्ता zone change मागता मागीर आमी चिंतात तो बारीक बारीक रिक्वेस्ट आहा म्हण तो बारीक रिक्वेस्ट इज द स्टार्टर दुसऱ्यांगे करपाक. हांव आतां म्हाका ऑर्डर मेळ्ळी मिनिस्टराची under RTI I got this order. It is of 11th March 2026 and it says this: in exercise of powers conferred under section 39A of the Goa Town and Country Planning Act 1974, the government of Goa hereby directs that the properties bearing survey number 290, 291, 292, 296 and 270 of Salvador the Moon village of Bardes taluka shall be maintained as no development zone, excluding the existing settlements in the said properties. No development permission shall be granted in respect the said properties, excluding the existing settlements in the said properties. Ete maka under RTI meldete. It is actually a victory for the people. Kitak, I am not a real estate lobbyist. I am not into real estate, and I am also not into promoting real estate. And I don't believe eco-sensitive zone should not be touched. Like orchard, no development slopes, khazan lands should not be touched. I assembling person mullale, Bharat a party assembling that we should not allow it to be changed.
Bureau Report, Prudent.